Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back, and today we've got an Amazon unboxing brought to you by Amazon. Now when I went to the locker and got this, I thought there's no way they're gonna put a painting in here. I'm a little bit nervous because in here I've also got my lemon and lime drink that I won from Just Play. Just want to say that I'm not collaborated or affiliated in any way, shape or form with them. It's just a game that I play on Android, and you play this monster game to get vouchers, and that funded the drink. Now I'm a little bit nervous because I appreciate they've put, you know, them all in the same box, but we know that diamond paintings can come sometimes rolled, sometimes flat. I'm hopeful that this is rolled, but if it's flat and they've wrapped it around the bottle, I'm not going to be too happy. But yeah, they normally come in a big square box, but in this case it's come in this very cute oblong sort of box. So I haven't got my scissors today, so I'm gonna have to use my knife here and try and do it as best as I can without piercing the I don't want to pierce, oh that's good, that's a flap. I don't want to pierce the painting, so let's see, because sometimes with Amazon I'll order like loads of things, and I could order like 3 things, and it's so frustrating when they ship in all different boxes. But these two look like they were in the same factory and they're packed together, which is nice. So let's see in here. Oh wow, it's actually in a box. No way. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, that's fancy. God blimey. It's been a while since I had a painting in this groovy box. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. DIY, oh, I don't know why the wire's up there, but diamond painting. Oh wow, that's really cute. And obviously I got my drink here. There's a new brand from Amazon and called Lemon and Lime. So yeah, very cool. Amazon do these drinks and they're roughly about 86p. You can get apple and raspberry, grape, and every night I seem to win a bottle on the game. So literally £1 a day I get a drink. So yeah, they're really good. I mean, Amazon years ago used to start off as a bookstore. They've now become a shop where they sell basically anything, and they're coming out more and more with their own food stuff, like there's beans, rice, pasta, that sort of thing. But they're not, obviously they can't do fresh food unless you've got Amazon Fresh. We don't have that in the area, but my dream is to go to New York and, you know, go in that shop where you go in, you walk around, you come out the shop and don't pay, because there's cameras all over the shop or something, and you apparently just walk in, put the stuff in your basket, and your app knows what you've put in your basket and charges you later. I'd love to try that out. But more to the point, we're not here to talk about Amazon, we're here to talk about diamond painting. And look at this. So I went for this gorgeous, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a deer in the moon, and you would not believe how much I paid for this. I literally paid $1.99. There are lots of offers on at the moment, and I really like this box. This is super cute. I wonder if we've got a white tray. I hope we have. Now it's very nice that they've done that, because not many diamond painting companies give you a fancy box. So let's take a look in here. It's a 30 times 30, and I thought that was an absolute bargain for $1.99. Obviously if you guys like this painting, then you might be lucky to get for $1.99. We know that Amazon prices do fluctuate, so I just want to put a disclaimer at the time of recording this, it was $1.99. Please don't think it's going to be that price when you get around to ordering it, because my videos are filmed many months in advance. So yeah, I'm filming this in March. You probably won't see it till April, so you get me. Oh no, it's the green one. Never mind. Oh well. always hopeful that we'll get these, because we've actually had, I think there was one unboxing I did that had white tray in it. And let's take it over. Oh yes, look at this. Oh, that's gorgeous. Again, another beautiful painting, because it's colour block near enough everywhere, isn't it? Look at that big slab. And is it me, or have they overdone it with the moon? Jesus, it's I mean, I know the moon's big, but bloody hell, it's like the size of a bloody football. And obviously you've got the purple here with the deer looking up at the moon. I don't know how that's going to work with the blue. I would have personally put that black, but we'll work with it. And then down here, it's like he's standing on a rock. You know that scene from Lion King with Nala and Mufasa and like, Simba standing on Pride Rock and stuff. And yeah, and then obviously down here we've got that purple confetti going on. Confetti is what we call when there's loads of different colours going on. For example, here we've got various different symbols. I'm not really a lover of purple, but I just could not say no to this. At $1.99, you know, it's a bargain. So here we've got colours 1 to 24. It looks like a superb painting indeed. Really can't wait to get into it. This painting's going to fly because there's so much colour blocks. As I said, they broke it down into segments, and for $1.99, 30 times 30, I'm absolutely loving it. Really lovely. So we've got a pint of drink, lemon and lime. And we've got our painting, so what better way to start diamond painting, eh? We've got our drink, let's get ready to diamond paint. But I was going to end the video then, totally forgot that I've got the drills to do, do apologise. Let's get through that now. So yeah, I think that box is so cute, the way they've done that. Oh, look at that pink. Wow, that's very funky. It sort of matches my, near enough, my heart tray that Tessa got me. Right, where do we start? They're all in bits. So in here we have our, let's do it that way. So we've got a light blue. Look at that beautiful blue. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we've got some lighter blues into there. So that's that. And then we'll get into this other belt that we've got here. And we have a purple and black. Look at that, sunny, stormy. They're your favourite colours. And we've got a grey and a purple and another grey, an orange, a blue, a purple. There's a lot of purple in this, lilac, and a banana yellow colour, and a lovely, gorgeous pink there. We've got another pink up the back passage here, and as you can see, it's a lighter pink, but that's a gorgeous pink. Really vibrant there. We've got a dark blue, a sort of ocean blue there, another royal blue, yeah, navy sort of blue, a pink, which is a slightly lighter pink. We've got a teal colour, a lighter blue, a very pastel peachy colour there, that's gorgeous. And then we've got a purple as well. So yeah, really happy with this. I can't wait to start this. And as you can see, for $1.99, I think that's a bloody bargain. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Always have that notification bell. That'll just give you a notification that videos popped up and ready to watch with your cup of tea and your slice of cake, as well as all Gummidge would say. But if you haven't downloaded Just Play, then do please download it. It's such a wonderful game. You literally just play games and they give you vouchers. It won't be like £1, £5. It's like peanut money. It's like 30p, 20p. But you let that build up and you can get freebies like my drink here. So everyone loves a freebie. But anyway, enough rambling on. That's our Amazon unboxing. We've got more stacking up around the corner, and they'll be on the channel soon. So until then, have a wonderful day. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you later. Bye.